Welcome to HiBiz News. My name is Suresh Kochatel. Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, held a meeting through video conferences with secretaries of ministries of petroleum, natural gas, power, coal, mines and Department of Atomic Energy and the CMDs of 23 central public sector undertakings belonging to these ministries. This meeting was held as a part of the series of meetings that the Finance Minister is having with various stakeholders to accelerate the economic growth in the financial year 2019-20 as against a capex of rupees 1,64,822 crores for these CPs. The achievement was about 1,66,029 crore, that is 101%. Q1 financial year 2019-20 achievement was about rupees 26,320 crores, which is at 16%, and the achievement in Q1 FY 2021 is 20,202 crore, which is 12% the target. Capex target for 2021 is 1,65,510 crores. While reviewing the performance of the central public sector undertaking, the Finance Minister said that CPSEs have a very important role in giving a push to the Indian growth economy. She encouraged the CPEs to perform better, to achieve targets, and to ensure that the capital outlay provided to them for the year 2021 is spent properly and within time frame. The Finance Minister said that the better performance of CPEs can help the economy in a big way to recover from the impact of COVID-19. The Finance Minister also asked the secretaries to closely monitor the performance of CPSEs in order to ensure that the capital expenditure to the tune of 50% of the capital outlay by Q2 2021 and make a plan for it. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman also stated that the unresolved issues should be flagged immediately to the department for immediate action. The ministries and the central public sector undertaking discussed the constraints being faced by them due to COVID-19, like the problems in availability of manpower, delay in imports, delay in payments by discoms on dues of CPSEs like NPCIL and NLC. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman stated that the extraordinary situation requires extraordinary efforts, and with collective efforts, the government will not only perform better, but also help the Indian economy to achieve better results. Thank you for watching.